Greetings, Grizzlies. You have my deepest gratitude today for joining me as I showcase some of Piepho's favorite pastimes. So recently, after eating lunch at school, I've been noticing more and more people with improperly made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. This is outrageous. Thus, I'm making this video as a sort of public service announcement for educating the general population on this task. As well as this, it's a favorite pastime of mine, and I think it could be for all of you as well. First, it is imperative that you exercise extreme caution when you're working with something that is going to be put into something's body. So first, we're going to remove any toxins or dangerous, hazardous items from the environment, such as this bleach. Good. Next, as you can see, I'm already clothed in this lab coat that will protect my clothes from any spilling or anything of that sort. And it will protect what I'm making from any germs on my clothing from the day I've had so far. So next we need to clothe these hands. So we're going to do so with these rubber science mittens. And first we need to get any wrinkles out. Good. Then the next one. Good. So now all of this is ready to proceed. Finally, it is imperative that we exercise caution with our eyes. Thus, I have these goggles here. We're just going to put them on like this. Let me adjust the strap here. All right, and first, we must acquire all of our materials. We need a plate. This one will do fine. Next, we need a butter knife. Now, kids, use extreme caution and get a parent's permission, maybe even parent's supervision, for handling such sharp objects. If you're smart, like me, you will use a precautionary lock to keep yourself protected from objects such as this. So carefully slide it off as to not injure yourself or anyone or anything around you. All right, we're good. Next, we're going to need bread. Good. Next, peanut butter of your choice, although I will tell you and warn you now, I will reprimand on the spot anybody who uses crunchy peanut butter. It's not okay. Jif creamy peanut butter. And finally, jam. This squeeze kind is very helpful. First is to spread the peanut butter. There we go. So, again, be careful with this knife. Now, the right half of the bread might be called the right half, but it is not the correct half. Just do the left half on this one. There we go. And then the right half actually on this one. Lots of peanut butter. There we go. Looks beautiful. Time for step 2. Step 2 is to jam it up. I like to make designs with my jelly. This is where the squirt kind comes really in handy. There we go. Alrighty. It may look a little funny, but I think it looks like a mountain of goodness to me. Enjoy. Step 3 is to close the sandwich. So it is necessary that you take time to align this sandwich. So it is crucial that you align the center of masses with each other. This will make for the best result. People like yourself may need to use like a kitchen scale to do this. But if you're an expert at making these sandwiches like I am, you just, over time, become more comfortable with what a center of mass is and don't need to use such silly toys. Alright, here we go. Perfect. Looks delicious. step 4 is to cut this culinary work of art. So we're going to start in the middle here for better leverage and to cut both ways. It is imperative that you cut this way, not this way. As you can see, we need to cut this way, not this way. As you may have noticed, that last clip had to be cut a little short. This is due to an injury I gave myself using the butter knife. I was not using enough caution. This serves as a reminder to always use extreme caution, even when you're a master like myself. On that happy note, step 5 is to enjoy. That was really good. Now that I'm done, I can safely take off my safety gear without exposing myself to further infection. So there's one glove, 2 gloves, and the goggles. Feels much better. But even though that may have been a hassle, it was really necessary. Thank you for watching, and as always, Piepho out.